Welcome to eCameraFilms TV. This week's hot product pick is our full-color custom camera, item SD1105. Our custom cameras come preloaded with 27 exposures of high-speed film. They also include a battery and a quick-touch flash. Even better, our cameras can be processed at any lab that does regular film processing. Every camera includes over 12 square inches of full-color imprint area at no additional charge. If you're looking to make a good impression, you can't do better than a full-color custom camera from eCameraFilms.